Pain in your anterior shoulder, especially when you raise your arm up or try to abduct your shoulder. Well, this may be due to your rounded shoulder posture or your neck tilted forward due to poor scapular mechanics, which could be impinging your supraspinatus and maybe even your bicep tendon in the subacromial space. So stay tuned, because we're going to go over 3 exercises that's going to fix this problem right here, right now. First up is a thoracic extension on a foam roller. This one's a game changer. If you've got poor posture or scapula feels like it's stuck in a downward rotation, this one's for you. Grab a foam roller, lie on it horizontal across your mid back, just below your shoulder blades, but above your low back. So when you're in that position, you want to make sure you're supporting your head with your hands and you're gently arching your back over the foam roller. Don't force it. Avoid arching your lower back. Breathe deep into your ribs. That breath will help open up stiff segments. All right, you want to do this for 3 to 5 reps per segment. Work 2 to 3 segments max, okay? Work up the chain there, slowly but surely. Why is this effective? The thoracic extension allows your scapulas to rotate upward. Without it, your overhead movement suffers and you end up compensating with your neck or low back, which can lead to other problems. Step 2 is wall angel. All right, this is the back flat version. So now that we've got some mobility in our thoracic, let's teach your body how to use it. This integrates good posture with control. So you want to stand with your feet about a foot from the wall. Keep your low back flat, no arching. Tuck your chin slightly. Think long neck while you're doing that. Slowly slide your arm up into a Y shape and pause. The pause is really important because we're working a postural muscle. Then you want to return slow and steady. So make sure you're not shrugging at all, because if you're shrugging, you're using that upper trap, which is already overactive at this time. So how long are you going to do this? You're going to do 2 sets of 6 to 8 reps each time you do it. Focus on control, not speed. Like I said before, it's a postural muscle. We want to retrain this postural muscle. Why does this move matter? This activates your lower traps and trains upward rotation without overusing your upper traps, which often causes shoulder impingement. So finally, we're going to do wall slides with serratus reach. Serratus anterior is a muscle that keeps your scapula close to your thoracic ribs to allow it to move when you're reaching overhead. So this is the foam roller version. This one targets your serratus anterior that's overlooked for shoulder stability. How are we going to do this? We're going to place your forearms on a roller and slowly slide it up the wall. Keep your neck neutral, ribs down. At the top, reach slightly forward. Feel that serratus kick in. You kind of have to round those shoulders in. But you want to avoid shrugging again and keep your spine long. You don't want to extend in your lower back, because this will cause you more back pain. So how often do you do this? Do 2 sets of 10 to 12 reps. All right, if you don't have a foam roller, you can try these. Wall slides with a towel. Place a towel under your forearms to reduce friction. Same movement, slide up, protract slightly at the top, and that's going to be your alternative to that. Also, you can try quadruped push away. This is a serratus push, but it's in all fours. You want to be on your hands and knees, push the ground away, let your shoulder blades slightly come forward. Keep your arms straight though, no bending. That's cheating. This combo restores healthy posture, relieves shoulder pain, and gets your scapulas moving like they're supposed to, whether you're lifting, training, or just living life. And if this helped, hit that like button and drop a comment and let me know what you think. Subscribe for more content just like this. We'll get you moving and feeling better. Pain-free is the goal. Thanks for watching.